make a video to demonstrate you guys different qualities of Samsung glasses. The first chapter we're gonna do for Edge, for S9, S9 Plus, Note 8, S8 and S8 Plus, and also the yeah, just those models. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 models. So for those 5 models, we only have I mean black one. There is only black. So so that's why we have the color is only black, but we have 2 different qualities for this S8 Plus, S8. For example, this is S8. In this video, the most important part I want to show you guys is the because as you can see the color. I don't know if you can see the color. So the first one is like shining, another one is it's like matte, as you can see. So this one is the original one, so this one is like very high quality, I guess call this, but this is not original, but high quality. A lot of people are concerned about the quality, I mean the hardness of the glass, so I'm gonna do a water test for you guys, let you guys see. I can do the water test for you guys, you can see. Yeah, it's very similar. So the water test, the hardness of the glass is almost the same, even though, oh sorry, even though this is the shiny one, this is the, so you can see from here. Can you see this? Shiny, right? Okay. And this is the, okay, actually this is the another one. See? Okay. Yeah, the main reason of this this video, I just want to show you guys the hardness of this the glass. I mean the glass is totally okay, totally okay. So that means because the difference of the price is very huge, so the original one and the copy one is like double the price of the original one. The price is double the price of the high copy one. So in this case, if I were you, I would buy this high copy, so because of the original is so expensive. And also same for this, same happens to this S8. So this S8, I'm also gonna take one for you guys, let you guys see the color. See? So on the other side, can you see this? Also shiny. So even though this is, the people say this is high copy, but I think the quality is okay. The quality is okay, and I recommend the high copy. The high copy. So it depends on you. If you say I want all original, we have it. But you say, yeah, I want to save a little bit. I want to save a little bit. You can get the high copy one. It's okay. And also for the Note 8, so we have Note 8 here. This is the Note 8. I just want you guys, I will let you guys see the color of Note 8. So the other side. So at this moment, Note 8, and also for this S9. So this is S9. So I'm also gonna take one out. Let you guys see the quality of this S9. I'm supposed to see the other side of this. So as you can see the color. Okay, so that means at this moment S9 Plus is only original quality. Also, this is S9. S9, as you can see the so this is the color. On the other side, we can see it's totally different. We see the original is totally different. So at this moment, we only have original for S9 Plus, but for S8, those two models we have a higher quality and a lower quality for S8 and S8 Plus. So our colleagues, so when you explain to our customers, so please explain to them for this model we have two different qualities. Yeah, so this is the first chapter. We have talked about the main reason, show you guys the color, and also do the water test of the LCD, I mean the glass. The second chapter we're gonna do for the S7 Edge and also for the S6 Edge. So the third one we're gonna do another S series. So let's continue to the second one.